Yo, welcome back, champs. If you survived the last tutorial and actually installed ComfyUI the right way, congratulations. You're already smarter than half the internet. If you didn't, pause this video, go fix your life, and then come back here. Link is in the description for the ComfyUI Portable install tutorial. No excuses. Let's open ComfyUI. You'll notice something's missing. Yeah, no fancy management system yet. Just blank space staring back at you like, good luck, kid. Let's fix that. We're getting ComfyUI Manager. Open your browser, type with your grown-up hands, ComfyUI Manager GitHub. Click the legit one from github.com/comfyorg/ComfyUI Manager. If you click a shady link by accident, that's a you problem. Now, what is ComfyUI Manager? Officially, it's an extension designed to enhance the usability of ComfyUI. It offers management functions to install, remove, blah, blah, blah. Unofficially, it's the upgrade that pulls you out of the Stone Age and drops you straight into the command deck of a starship. Installation method. We're using installation method 2 because we're using Portable ComfyUI. It's written clearly on the page, but hey, reading is hard, I know. If you skip reading and screw it up later, don't cry to me. Step 1. Install Git. First, you need Git. Yes, another tool. No, you can't skip it. Go here, gitscm.com/download/win. Click that 64-bit Windows version. If you're still rocking 32-bit Windows in 2025, bro, I don't even know what to tell you. While it downloads, call your mom while you wait. She's a little tied up with me right now. Installing Git. Now, when you run the installer, smash that next button like you're speedrunning life. But stop when you see the Choosing the Default Terminal Emulator screen. Pick Use Windows Default Console window, exactly like the instructions you didn't read earlier. Click Next again. Done. Shocking, you followed directions. Maybe there's hope for humanity after all. Step 2. Download the install script. Next, you need to download Install Manager for portable version.bat. Right-click the link. Save as. Save it inside your ComfyUI Windows portable folder. If you save it wrong again, you might qualify for a PhD in bad decisions. Step 3. Run the install script. Now go to that folder and double-click the .bat file you just saved. Unfortunately for me, Windows throw up a blue screen screaming, "Windows protected your PC." Click More Info. Run anyway. You're installing a manager, not summoning a demon. CMD will open again. Just let it rip. Let it do its magic, cloning repos, building greatness, flexing harder than you ever have. You might see a few warnings. I got some, too. If that triggers your inner IT expert, go ahead and leave a 5-paragraph critique down below. Just make sure you finish crying first. After install finishes, close the Open CMD window of ComfyUI. Also, close your Open ComfyUI browser tab. Now rerun ComfyUI by clicking Run NVIDIA GPU.bat. And boom, ComfyUI Manager is installed. You now have power at your fingertips. Install, disable, enable nodes without having to Google your soul away. That's it, champs. You're now running ComfyUI with Manager installed. Full adult mode unlocked. If this video saved you time, frustration, and saved you from smashing your keyboard, smash that like button until your mouse cries, and subscribe because this is just the beginning. If you still manage to screw this up, don't blame me, blame your kindergarten teacher. Catch you in the next video. Stay smart or stay lost.